Hi everyone, welcome back to BD Studios. In the studio this week, we are preparing for classes. We're doing a summer curriculum, would you say?
Yeah.
We're coming up with different ideas. We're trying to do art, not trying, we're doing art with a lot of relaxation techniques built in. No pressure, just relaxing, and then we're gonna find just different mediums where we can
Just explore.
Yeah, explore and entice different people to try different things. So
Right.
I am going to take my paper, just regular paper. It's not even watercolor paper. It's just paper that I can create on and not have any kind of pressure because it's good paper, because I'm cheap that way. I don't like to use my good paper. But it's a good way for you to explore and try different things without a big commitment, without a canvas, without anything. So I've decided today that my color study will be just these colors. I'm in a green kind of mood with a little touch of yellow. Obviously I need white, and obviously everything I paint has a touch of black. I just can't help myself. I really like the bold contrast of black in every piece. Just my personal taste. You may not like it. I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and do two different techniques. I am going to do a face. And when I say a face, is like you're not going to think. You're just going to do eyes. I'm going to do lips. It's going to be very... I know. Don't stress out, you perfectionist. You are exploring the idea of a face. Doesn't mean that you're gonna perfect the eyes, perfect the lips. We're just gonna have fun and just explore colors and shapes and think in a different direction. Then the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to do a color study with no particular rhythm or rhyme, just very random, using your fingers, get your hands dirty, getting in touch with your inner child, mark making. We're just exploring different ideas, and I think this will help anyone who's not an artist or even an artist get out of your rut, because I was real stressed this morning. I'm like, I'm gonna just let go. I'm not gonna do anything precise. I'm not even gonna sketch with a pencil. I'm just gonna go for it, and that's what I want to bring to you this week. So sit down, relax, and enjoy my process. I don't know what I'm doing exactly, but I did that one with those colors, and I'm like, well, I'll just continue. She's fabulous. So technically, if you would want to, you could fill this in or cut them out and put them in frames. All right, let me show you the first one. And she kind of gives off the vibe of how I felt this morning. I was very anxious and a little stressed out. I got work things that I have to get done, but today's my play date, so I need to do this so that I can breathe and center myself. Like we always say, stay focused, stay centered, stay creative. I needed to get centered, so I got creative. Make sense? So what I wanted to do with this, and as you saw while I was painting, is just, you know, let go, let go. Hair doesn't have to be perfect. Hair, this is just the idea of hair. You know, it's just very abstract, but still you could tell it's a face. So my color study was green, yellow, white, black, gray, white, you know, a mix, mudded up. I didn't really care. I was just going for relaxation, and I love that. And then I went into this direction. I put the tape, as you saw in the video, and I just let go. Become a child. Any random things, and then I went in with a pencil and just made all these delicious marks. I used oil pastels for this. I used pencil. I used acrylic, and it takes up. You could turn it sideways. You could turn it upways, wrong ways, sideways. I feel like Willy Wonka explaining this, but what I love about this is that there is no commitment. Okay, it's just you becoming one with this page and letting go and getting lost, and that was the goal. And I feel so much better after creating these two pieces. You could cut these out, frame them. You could even go crazy and fill in the cross, but it's up to you. I mean, this is your creation, whatever your creation is going to be. I love the fact that I did not clean this out. I used the same paint that was left over and came over here, and the only thing I added was oil pastels to it, and my hand and pencils. So we are going to be offering these classes, so if you want more information, we'll put the link in the description box of our meetup group if you're in the Miami area. We are going to be doing a lot of free classes online, so you can hook up with us on Zoom. Send us a message. Let us know what you think about this project. Would you take this class? Either one. Give us your thoughts, your ideas, and please make sure you like this video. And if you're not subscribing, please consider subscribing. It'll help us grow our channel. And we're always trying to bring new and exciting projects that will help you mentally and will help you de-stress. This is not about becoming a professional artist. This is about letting go and enjoying the process. We're a community of creative people and people who want to de-stress, just saying. So, like we always say, stay focused, stay centered, stay creative. That's what I did today. And please, please, reach out to us. Let us know what you think and comment always on our videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Boom.